So if you own a recruiting agency and you have not signed up with Recruitemy and Russell Liebowitz, you are losing money. Full stop, period. Now let me give you a little bit of context as to why I just said that so bold with such confidence, because I am very confident in that statement. Up until 6 weeks ago, I didn't know anything about recruiting at all. I knew that there were agencies. I knew that there were headhunters and things like that. I had never worked in an industry. And so through a series of circumstances, I quickly found myself looking for a new opportunity in life. And so I happened to stumble on recruiting. Like I do anything in life, I immediately began to seek out mentors. Hey, who's someone that has done exceptional in this area, and how can I model them? How can I learn from them? So I started looking at my source, which is YouTube. I found about 8 different individuals that were teaching about recruiting. I confessed I learned a little bit from all of them. All of them had good nuggets of information, things I've applied. But there was one that stood out head and shoulders above everyone else. From his professionalism in the videos, the way he presents himself as an individual, the company itself, Recruitemy, and the message, the impactfulness of the message when applied to a recruiting business. That, of course, was Russell Liebowitz with Recruitemy. So I actually went through every single one of his videos twice. At least some videos I watched 3 or 4 times, absorbing all of that knowledge. In a short window of time, I think it was less than a week, we actually connected on LinkedIn, scheduled a call. Russ actually helped me make the decision to make the change. He didn't try to sell me into doing by any means. He listened to my specific situation, the life skills that I was able to bring to recruiting, to make a determination and a recommendation if I was a good fit to launch my own agency or to work for someone else. And so after hearing that, of course, he immediately said, hey, Clarence, I think you should launch your own agency, and we will map out a roadmap to help get you not only profitability, but parabolic growth in a short window of time. Within that, since signing up with Recruitemy, not only do we have several individual calls per week, several messages regularly with Russ and the team, but after implementing his system, not only the automated system, but the practices that he teaches through connecting and building actual relationships on LinkedIn, not just hard selling, but actually building relationships. After implementing video embedded, tailor-made email messages to make cold outreach to clients via LinkedIn, other social media platforms, as well as email. After doing so, the amount of connections that I have made currently in my pipeline, we're looking at least $50,000 in my pipeline. And to clarify, because I was starting my own business, really I did not even get started on the marketing until about a week and a half ago. So within that window of time, I already have $50,000 in the pipeline, and it looks like another 50,000 plus of very strong potential. So potentially 6 figures in the pipeline already with clients. That outreaches from chief marketing officers that are looking for opportunities as well, that because of the branding and the positioning in the market and the communication and the engagement on social, LinkedIn in particular, because of Russ's contribution to that and guidance, I've had those individuals reach out to me. Like I said, the chief marketing. I've also made very strong relationships already with top portfolio managers in my industry as well. So that just names a few of the very highly impactful, highly promising, and high volume, high profitability that I've already been able to get in my pipeline, and very confident that I'll close that very soon within, again, with Russ, with Recruitemy. And so again, I will say, repeat with confidence, if you are not signed up, if you own an agency and you are not signed up with Recruitemy, with Russ Liebowitz, you're losing money.